So this car is something we've always liked. It's a pretty rare, unique car. Spent quite a while on Google Earth actually and kind of looking around for the car. Found an address, worked a deal out and had it shipped here. I've been around cars my whole life, for as long as I can remember. My dad's always had old cars. I've always been out in the garage helping him work on them. And then when I was 15, my dad and I decided to restore our 1937 Dodge, which has been in our family since it was new. And that kind of got me into the restoration side, and seeing that transformation of, an old beat up rusty car turn into something beautiful really inspired me and got me excited about it. So this is a 1962 Oldsmobile F-85 Cutlass. So this car retains its original engine. It is a 215 all aluminum V8. It has a balanced crank, high compression pistons, ported heads, aftermarket radiator. It's a Champion radiator. This is the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Wiring has been upgraded to modern switched relays. It has a Borg Warner T10 4-speed transmission with a custom-built McLeod racing clutch and hydraulic throw-up bearing. This engine originally only put out about 160 horsepower. Now should be pushing out about 300. The front of this car retains most of its original grille and trim. It's all been re-chromed or replated. Headlights are more modern with switchback halo rings in it. All the body lines have been sharpened. These roof lines, they don't stick out a lot, so I sharpened all those up. Retains the original taillights. All the bezels have been, dents been removed, polished, LED bulbs. It has a dual exhaust on it, all custom built. So the wheels are US mag wheels. They were custom made for this car. I was going for that old school 70s style. Interior retains the original gauge that I took apart and color matched the background. Upholstery is a custom design that I designed myself, picked out the materials. I used PPG paint products to paint this car from the primer up to the clear coat. I used the EnviroBase base coat line, and then I polished this car using the Rupees polishing system. I hope to be part of SEMA and maybe even a judge for Battle Builders. I'd love to have a car in there and compete for the big prize, and that's my goals, and keep building cars and keep refining my skills and getting better and better at what I do, and hopefully it leads me there one day.